Okay everyone, I'm out here at the Chinook range. I'm just at the 50 yards right here, and I'm going to be aiming for this target over here on the right. Okay, so there are 3 bullet holes in that target. So I'm just shooting my 9. I have 15 rounds. I'm going to shoot about 5 rounds, go up and check. We're at 50 yards, and then I'm going to try to go back to 100. So let's get this done. All right, 50 yards. Reholster. Let's go up and see. From back here, I can't see where I'm hitting. So I could hear it hitting something. I could hear that little in the paper, or the board or something. I'm not sure. Okay. We're getting close. We're getting up there. Let's see where we were hitting. Hi. Well, this one and this one and this one were here. I was hit there, I hit headshot, and I hit here. So yeah, I was a little over the place. Or maybe it was that one that was already here, I don't know. But either way, I'm still hitting high. I was aiming high because I'm really not sure what it is at 50 feet. I'm sorry, 50 yards. I know at 100 yards with a 9mm 115 grain, most generally anyway, the ballistics are 8 inches low at 100 yards. So, and it's an arc, so it's not exactly to where it's 50 yards would be 4 inches. It could be, but it could just be like 2 or 3 low, because it's going to taper off drastically. It's going to come in and then taper off drastically as you increase your distance. So let's go back here to 100 yards. Here we're at 75. So that pole right there with the green sign on it, that should be about 100 yards. Now let's try to get this set up to where you guys can see also. All right, and again, we're going to be aiming at this target right over here. Okay, it's that far right one closest to that dumpster. So, back here, around about 100 yards. Got a handgun. Alrighty. Alright, let's see. We got a little wind coming at us, and it's kind of coming in from that direction, so it's not straight on, off to the side. 10. Alrighty, let's go look. Again, I could hear it hitting something, but I was aiming pretty well up at the head of the target, because I know with that 8-inch drop it should put me right about, if it was dead center, chest, right in the center of the sternum there. So we'll see. Maybe I'll get a bullseye. Maybe. I don't know. That wind it's not strong. It's about, I'm just guessing, 5 to 7 miles an hour, maybe, back there. Again, I have no idea, so we'll see. And I may have to try again, you know. It's not exactly about the shot. Well, I would have got a headshot here or close to it. I mean, this thing is only right here. This is about 2.5, 3 inches wide. So that's a good shot. I honestly think I was still hitting a little bit high. I could have been aiming up. That one's new. So yeah, I think I was. I honestly think I was hitting a little high. So if I try this again, which I'll try it again, I'll film it again, but not right now. But I'll go back out and see if I can hit at 100 yards and get it a little closer here. I may have to, I was aiming about dead center of the head, so I probably need to bring it down just a little bit, because, and this is a 4-inch barrel, it's a Glock 19. So your velocity changes in that too, which is going to throw the whole shot off. So, you know, I'm just guessing, and I could be, I'm still hitting everywhere high, I think. So I think I probably need to aim more at the chest and find out where it's actually hitting at 100 yards, and then I can make my adjustments from there. But thank you for watching. Again, it's not about the making that shot exactly, it's the journey to get to where you can make that shot. So thanks for learning with me. I learned something today. I hope you did too. And so I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for your support. Subscribe. Make sure that you subscribe to my Facebook or my YouTube channel, and find us on Facebook, Squirrely's Gun Shop, and also like that page, and then hit see first on the following, and then do the same with Last Man Standing LLC. Find those both, the Last Man Standing LLC, that is our training and everything. So if you haven't liked those, like those pages, make sure you hit see first. You can find me as a friend on Facebook if you haven't already. I'm going to create a public figure page here too. So if you like what you see and you learned something, like and share this video. Let me know. I thank you. You guys stay awesome. Stay safe. I love you guys. See you later.